Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com. Let's talk about those posterior bite turbos. And boy, have these turbos evolved over the years. Um, a long time ago, we used to have to put bite bumps on the teeth and then scan over them. But now you can add what was occlusal attachments, but now they have some pretty cool posterior bite turbos in the various aligner companies. And remember, you don't actually glue those on the teeth. A long time ago we did, now they're built into the aligner. So you do not want to glue them on your teeth. A lot of people are doing this by accident, and it's just gonna make your case kind of a nightmare because it's gonna, when you do the refinement, you're gonna have posterior open bites on those teeth and stuff like that. It's just gonna be way easier just to, I mean, it probably works better. I'll be really honest. I mean, if you really wanted to do it, you probably could. I just trying to get those off in between refinements, and when you need to, you really have to keep a close eye on them. I would much rather you just have them in the tray, so at least they get a break when they're eating and stuff like that. But certainly just remember, if you did glue them on, you got to make sure you take them off. I saw one case that had been on for years and they had forgotten. And this happens in braces all the time, but it's even worse in an aligner. And it just was so traumatized. And I was like, why did you glue that on the tooth for so long? I mean, even in braces, the most we're gonna have one on is like 2 months. And I just feel like if you glue it on in aligners, you're gonna forget, like, because in braces we color them, we make them blue, we totally know they're there, we put pop-ups on our chart, and y'all are gluing these on teeth and forgetting about them, and they're getting fractures, and they're getting decay under them, and they're super intruding, and they're getting root blunting because you're forgetting they're on. So just don't glue them. All right, thanks.